Chucky. We got you.
All the wires are still plugged in.
Good. Okay, add 16 when that goes up. 23.3, what is that? 21.8 is Paine ground. Paine tower for, let's see, it was 3-4 left. 3-4 left is going to be 32.95. Alright, double check 32.95. Paine ground, 21.8, good. And 28.65, okay. For weather.
Paine ground, Centurion 702 Tango Charlie at Central Parking Fuel, taxi 34 left, northbound with Charlie.
Centurion 702 Tango Charlie, Paine ground, does Alpha 5 work for you? Do you want Alpha 7?
Alpha 7 is fine, or Alpha 5, either one.
42 Tango Charlie, runway 34 left, Alpha 5, taxi via Charlie Alpha.
Charlie Alpha to Alpha 5, 2 Tango Charlie.
Paine ground, Skyline 836 Tango Bravo at Regal, southbound departure with Charlie.
Is that 836 Tango Bravo?
Roger, 836 Tango Bravo.
836 Tango Bravo, Paine ground, runway 34 left at Alpha 5, taxi via Bravo Alpha, and just use caution, there's going to be a Centurion that's also taxiing out going to Alpha 5.
Bravo Alpha to Alpha 5, 836 Tango Bravo.
6 Tango Bravo, just verify 34 left at Alpha 5, please.
34 left at Alpha 5, 836 Tango Bravo.
Ground, Cessna 5130 at Regal with Charlie westbound.
Bravo, but you're not on Bravo, you're on Delta.
Paine ground, runway 34 left at Alpha 7, taxi via Delta Juliet Alpha.
34 left, Alpha 7, Delta Juliet Alpha 30.
Paine ground, 836 Tango Bravo. I'm at Regal. Did you mean to say Delta?
6 Tango Bravo, sorry about that. I thought you said you were at propeller. Runway 34 left at Alpha 5, taxi via Charlie Alpha.
Charlie Alpha, 836 Tango Bravo to 34 left.
So Charlie is behind you.
Yeah.
6 Tango Bravo, you can taxi Delta Charlie Alpha to 34 left Alpha 5.
Delta Charlie to 3 Alpha 5, 34 left, 836 Bravo. Alright, there we go.
Charlie, yeah. Oh, Delta.
Okay, window's going open. So take it off Alpha 5. Okay, yeah, that still gives us... That's still...
Yeah, Paine ground.
Almost 5,000 feet.
78
Yeah.
Fox, Hotel 1, self-serve field, please.
Glasgow Hotel 1 was at, I got the 6-7, what was the rest?
Oh yeah, it's November 78 Juliet Fox.
Alright, good to go.
Paine ground 3538 Juliet, holding short of Lima 1 for a VFR southwest departure. Request taxi to Alpha 7 via Echo.
Is that 3538 Juliet?
Extend downwind, you'll call our base, A2 Alpha.
Paine Tower, Skyline 836 Tango Bravo, holding short 34 left Alpha 5 southbound departure.
Number 836 Tango Bravo, Paine Tower, standby, will be number 2 for departure.
Standing by number 2, 6 Tango Bravo.
531 November Delta, right on Alpha 7, contact ground point 8 went off.
Alright, Alpha 7, contact ground point 8, 531 November Delta.
And November 836 Tango Bravo, is that you holding short of runway 34 left at Alpha 5?
Affirmative, 836 Tango Bravo.
Alright, number 836 Tango Bravo, runway 34 left, Alpha 5, clear for takeoff, left turn out to the south is approved.
Clear for takeoff 34 left at Alpha 5, left turn southbound, 836 Tango Bravo.
Centurion 2 Tango Charlie, pull up to and hold short runway 34 left, Alpha 5 for departing traffic.
2 Tango Charlie's pull forward and hold short.
Alright, here we go. Oil pressure is good. Center line. Third green.
Paine Field, Cessna 54900 Bravo is 7 miles to the northwest with information
65.
Charlie and bound for full stop.
70. There we go. Okay.
5490 Bravo, traffic ahead and to your right, 2 miles westbound, Cessna, altitude indicates 2600.
Traffic is inside 90 Bravo.
73 Mike Hotel, traffic ahead and to your right, 1.5 mile eastbound is a Cessna, altitude indicates 3400 and descending.
Looking for the traffic, 3 Mike Hotel.
73 Mike Hotel, advise you stay at or below 3000.
We'll stay at or below 3,000, 3 Mike Hotel.
Paine Tower 70781 over Delta is 2 miles north of Hat Island, 3300, full stop, 34 left Charlie.
Centurion 702 Tango Charlie, Paine Tower, straight up departure is approved, runway 34 left, Alpha 5, clear for takeoff.
2 Tango Charlie's rolling.
Cessna 928 Zulu Alpha base turn is approved, runway 34 left, clear to land.
Base turn approved, 34 left, clear land, Zulu Alpha.
Cessna 781 November Delta, or correction, November 781 November Delta, Paine Tower, enter a left downwind, runway 34 left.
Left down 34 left, 701 November Delta.
Alright, oil pressure's still good. Temperatures are still good.
5490 Bravo, we're good for left downwind, 34 left.
5490 Bravo, affirmative, I'm sorry, enter a left downwind, runway 34 left.
Left downwind, 34 left, 90 Bravo.
Paine Tower, Cessna 724 Tango Mike, 10 miles out over Freeze Point. Request inbound full soft landing with Charlie.
Cessna 724 Tango Mike, Paine Tower, enter a right downwind, runway 34 right.
Enter downwind 34 right, Cessna 724 Tango Mike.
So 724 Tango Mike, correction, enter a right downwind for runway 34 left.
Right downwind 34 left, 4 Tango Mike.
Not filming with the Insta?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay.
Did you say not?
Yeah.
No, I am.
I don't see any red light flashing.
Paine Tower, Cessna 51380, holding short on 34
It's
left.
backwards.
34 left.
Oh, okay.
Alpha 7, westbound.
Are you setting up the weather? 2775?
Yeah, and this is hour.
Okay. Thank you much.
Yes, sir.
AMS calling it off 7 second coastline.
5130.
This is 5130 Paine Tower, no delay, runway 34 left, Alpha 7 clear for takeoff, fly straight out, call the westbound turn.
34 left, clear for takeoff, Alpha 7 westbound, fuel call westbound 380. And no delay.
Thank you.
I was like, there's no way that
781 November Delta, traffic ahead to your right, mid
this thing
channel.
isn't right because of all the metal up here. It's saying that we're northbound right now.
Yeah, the
November Delta.
70781 November Delta, number 4, following that Cessna traffic, runway 34 left, clear to land.
the sectionals all note big magnetic deviations in the area.
Cessna 6342 X-ray, number 2, following Cessna short final, runway 34 left, clear to land.
34 right, clear land, we're number 2, 6342 X-ray.
Runway 34 left.
X-ray.
64 X-ray, I believe I stepped on you there, verify runway 34 left.
34 left, clear to land, number 2, traffic inside 6342 X-ray.
Thank you. Cessna 5490 Bravo, you are number 3, following Cessna traffic in the opposite downwind, report inside.
Clear traffic 90 Bravo, we're number 3.
Once we're out of there, we'll go to the
34 left,
departure arrival that was.
129 Kilo, Paine Tower, standby, waiting IFR release.
Waiting IFR, and we have Charlie and IFR 6. 129 Kilo. 90 Bravo, we have the right downwind traffic inside.
The 5490 Bravo, roger, number 2 now following that Cessna traffic, runway 34 left, clear to land.
Number 2, 34 left, clear to land, 90 Bravo.
Go down.
928 Zulu Alpha, turn right on Alpha 6, contact ground point 810.
Right Alpha 6.
Oh wait, we're
order
at
ground
1200.
off.
This is 51380, westbound departure is approved. Have a safe flight.
Westbound CA30.
Look at that. See how true air indicated is pretty much the same?
Yeah.
That's how low we are. Okay. Alright, we're gonna continue on course.
Cessna 129 Kilo, Paine Tower, no delay, runway 34 left, Alpha 5, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 34 left at Alpha 5, 129 Kilo. Tower Beaver, November 564, Romeo Charlie.
November 564, Romeo Charlie, Paine Tower.
North of Hat Island, 1200, like transition southbound shoreline.
November 564, Romeo Charlie, Paine Tower, transition is approved, altimeter 3004.
3004, transition approved, Romeo Charlie.
Please caution, missed approaches require overflight to the runway at below 1,500. Simultaneous approaches in use at Boeing and SeaTac Airport. Expect traffic above you on final. Notice to airmen. Runway 14 left, closed. Intersections Alpha 2, Alpha 3, Alpha 4, Alpha 5, Alpha 8, and Bravo 1 closed. Alpha taxiway closed between intersections Alpha 2 and Alpha 5 to aircraft with a wingspan greater than 100 feet. Bravo taxiway closed between intersections Bravo 1 and Bravo 2 to aircraft with a wingspan greater than 118 feet. Alpha taxiway centerline markings non-standard between intersections Alpha 3 and Alpha 5. Advise on initial contact. Do you have this information, Quebec?
Quebec?
Yeah.
Boeing Field this information, Quebec 185 Zulu weather, wind 220 visibility 10, sky conditions 4000, scattered 20,000, scattered, temperature 25, 2.12, altimeter 3002, ILS, runway 14 right approach in use, landing and departing, runway 14 right. VFR departure, stay direction.
Okay. Alright.
I've got them in sight.
Okay, great. Alright, we're pretty much having to follow this freeway the entire time. Got it. Oh, there, yeah. Are you sure this is tower? Because it's really busy there and there's nothing going on the radio. Oh, well then. Or 14 right and 32 left. 120.6. Okay.
We can check the other one out. Visual point is the floating bridge is off your 10 o'clock.
Okay. The float. Oh, yep. That's what I call it.
doing the Green Lake arrival.
Yep.
It doesn't show its point on the map.
It says fly southeast towards 520 floating bridge and western Lake Washington shoreline. From 520 bridge.
No, that's for the other runway. That's for 32. This one is follow I-5. Pretty sure.
This is for arrivals in runway 32.
Yep, we're up 14.
Arrivals 14. Green Lake arrival. Okay.
Green Lake, yep. Which is just follow I-5.
Maintain 1,500 feet. A beam 520 floating bridge. Continue I-5 until turning in 1 mile final. I thought we were doing 32.
Nope. Arrivals runway 14.
They're at Kenmore Air.
Where?
That's Kenmore Air Stadium. Visual checkpoint.
Okay. I don't know what we're looking at, but cool.
The stadium.
Okay.
2,400.
It's the University of Washington Stadium.
I see it.
Cessna 13312, Boeing Tower, fly the Blake arrival, runway.
Oh, just stadium.
14 right, verify information, Quebec.
Okay, guys. This is when I'm going to ask for a little bit of silence on the radios, please. Yep. Thank you.
Flying the Blake arrival for runway 14 right, Cessna 13312.
Boeing Tower, Skyline, November 836, Tango Bravo, Kenmore Stadium with Quebec, full stop.
West. Number 91 Hotel, did you say northwest?
Perfect.
Number 91 Hotel, we don't have a northwest parking, we have a northeast ramp.
I think that's what it was. Now, so sorry about that.
Roger, November 91 Hotel, turn right, Bravo 3, contact ground point 9er.
Up 3, ground, what's up?
Boeing 907, enter runway 14 right at Bravo 4, high-speed taxi approved.
Are we on ground right now?
14 right at Bravo 4 will be at high speed.
Okay, we can't enter quite yet.
Number 836 Tango Bravo, Boeing Tower, fly the Green Lake arrival, runway 14 right.
14 right, Green Lake arrival, 836 Tango Bravo. There we go. Okay.
Boeing Tower 118.3, say again.
Downtown Seattle. Take a picture of that. Up. Space Needle right there.
I got it.
Blade 53, Boeing Tower.
Right, guys.
3, departure from Modern will be at drone risk, wind 210 at 4, a Boeing 737 on the runway, conducting a high-speed taxi, a left downwind departure approved.
Alright, gas, lights, undercarriage, seatbelts, cowl flaps are closed.
Boeing 907, turn right, Bravo 7, contact ground point 9er.
07, exiting Bravo 7, thank you very much.
Tower 312 over the shoreline.
Number 36 Tango Bravo, runway 14 right, clear to land, wind 2303.
Clear to land 14 right, 836 Tango Bravo.
Number 111, correction, November 13312, runway 14 right, clear to land, number 2 following traffic 2 mile final, a square your base turn to final.
Number 2, clear to land, looking for the traffic.
Yeah, look, you can see the left runway is way down there. Yeah, in fact, it's not even open. Oh, wait, yeah, it's all of that's the runway.
Traffic inside Cessna 112, number 2, clear to land.
Cessna 312, verify runway 14 right, clear to land.
Runway 14 right, clear to land, Cessna 112.
Tower 312, you okay with the long landing?
Number 312, on request, expect long landing, short final.
Expect long landing, short final, 312.
Wave 53, downwind departure for shoreline downtown to approved. Number 6 Tango Bravo, stay parking.
6 Tango Bravo going to the museum.
Number 6 Tango Bravo, turn right, Bravo 4, contact ground point 901 off.
Right, Bravo 4, contact ground, 6 Tango Bravo. It's pretty much going to be taxi to the ramp via Bravo.
Yeah.
Just missed the 737 taxiing by. Oh well.
Cessna 312, long landing approved.
Oh, he's right there.
Long landing approved, Cessna 1212.
Say again?
Ground FlexJet 419, signature taxi to Quebec.
FlexJet 419, Boeing ground runway 14 right, taxi via Alpha.
14 right via Alpha, FlexJet 419.
Following ground, Skyline 836 Tango Bravo, clear Bravo 4 going to museum.
826 Bravo Tango, Boeing ground, taxi to the museum via Bravo, no delay past Bravo 5, please.
Taxi via Bravo, no delay, 6 Tango Bravo.
359, make the right turn, hold short, runway 14 right at Alpha 9er.
The 359, a right turn and hold short of the runway at Alpha 9er.
Just the 359, I'll need that verbatim, hold short, runway 14 right at Alpha 9er, please, that's for the tapes.
Just 359, hold short at 14 right at Alpha 9er.
Yes, for the tapes,
sir.
No delay past Bravo 5 here.
On ground, Skyhawk 278 Charlie Alpha at the museum. We have information Quebec requesting taxi with the Bellevue departure.
Skyhawk 278 Charlie Alpha, Boeing ground, it'll be just a moment, stand by. Justice 359, cross runway 14 right at Alpha 9er, runway 14 right at taxiway Zulu, taxi via Bravo.
Justice 359, cross at 14 right at Alpha 9. We're going to taxi via Bravo to Zulu.
Affirm, and then we'll let you go through the PPRP for your full-length departure.
Just 359, thank you.
Okay, there's one spot available right now.
There's a couple. It's within the blue line.
Yep. Oh my gosh, he's blocking the entryway.